Hello, hello. What do you know? Welcome in. Good afternoon. It is the Swag Show Hump Day edition. How's everybody doing? What's going on? Do. Hump Day Wednesday edition of the Swag Show. What do you know? Hello. We will make it. Hello. Yes, indeedy. Hello, hello. Let me try and share this with the group here. Uh, Slack. Oh, I can't do it. I don't know. Slack. Let's go share to chat. I don't know. I can't figure it out. Santa go, go Santa go, go Santa go. Almost ticked that alert, went within one tick of it. Went within one tick of the alert. Alright, we're going to move this down. How's the alerts this week? We're doing well. We're doing very well. Yesterday they were 2 for like 45 points worth of movement. Um, Monday was 30 points. Tuesday was like 40 points. So far so good this week on the alerts. All right, Santa's out of it. Let's move in NQ day waves. No, that's not what I wanted to do. NQ day waves and long. We are in this short. Okay, we're in short. Plus 5 points. TP1 hit. Plus 10 points. Plus 10 points on the alert right now I just gave. We're in a short on the manual alerts. Green 10 points. Told you to go short from 22,439. It ran down 10 points. Rambone, Big Mike, Usman, William, Brandon, Manifest, Albert, something about yesterday, Kev, Campos, Barry, welcome in, good afternoon. Thank you for the follows. Welcome to the Swag Show. What do you know? My name is Kyle. I'm your host. I do go live Monday through Friday, 1 to 2 p.m. Eastern, showing you live futures market trading. using BoldBot, which is a fully automated trading algorithm for the futures market. If you want more information, please email BoldBotLLC at gmail.com. In a 11 points green on the manual alert on the short. This is NQ day waves. It's going the wrong direction. We don't want to watch the long position. We want to watch the winning short position. Let's see. Where's Big Bang? There you go. This is the premium alert that I gave in the group. Green, like, what is that, 15 points at the high water mark? Something like that. Yeah, that's plus 15 points. Jim, Marley, Iki, Jen, welcome in. Keep tapping that screen if you know what I mean. Jelly Bean, till your fingers turn green. Help me, help you, help others. We're in a 15-point short. You're watching it on the screen. This is what I gave in the manual alert section of the group. You can get access to for $100 for the first week, $500 a month after that. All you got to do is email me or BoldBotLLC at gmail.com. Let them know you saw it on the swag show. You want access to these premium alerts in the group that are fire, baby. Mitch, Jose, user, Javier, welcome in. Good afternoon. What do you know? Dropping, here we go. Dropping some mo for show. Get some mo dough. This is, it started on 4 micros, and there we go. Trail hit. All right. Good enough. Trail. I can't type today. Trail hit. All right, there we go. NQ alerted, and it flirted, and now we are done with it. Edgar, Gustavo, welcome in. Yeah, we just had a 15-point manual alert. You just missed it. I was just showing the 15-point manual alert that I alerted in the group. So we are up on the day. It's about 500 on the 3 Tradeify accounts. 160 on my PA Apex account. Keith, welcome in. Good afternoon. Let's see, nothing else in the trade except this NQ day waves. Just trying to pull back. This might be the reversal that it's needing. My computer glitched when you moved down and I missed it. Oh, Nate, man, I'm sorry about that. I had Apex disconnect 2 times from me today. I don't know what's going on. Two times this morning, my Apex went to a red circle and said I was disconnected. I don't know why, but it's weird, especially when you're in a trade. Yeah, it's scary, especially when you're in a trade, because you have to literally like disconnect and then reconnect and then make sure you're still in that trade. And then like I saw it was positive, so I just flattened everything and started over. But I don't like it when it does that. It's scary. So I understand. Clear Skies, Ryder, Kalen, Stocks for Fun. Welcome in. Good afternoon. What do you know? Keep tapping that screen, guys. Thank you for being here. I appreciate it. Happy Wednesday. Weird, wonderful, wild, wacky Wednesday. Just ran up from 6 o'clock this morning. I ran all the way up to resistance 1 right after the open at 9:45, and then it's just been moving down all the way back down to where it was last night. Just a big old mountaintop. Big old mountaintop. Now we'll see if it can, this afternoon, buy it all back. Like it does oh so often. You never know. How you doing? Ray, what up? Did you get a payout yet? Wicked, welcome in. Sancho. NQ day waves. The only thing in the trade, it's in a long from 22,443.75. Not yet. Let's keep on it. Slow and steady. El Bruto. Welcome to the Swagonators. Mount up. Thank you for the follow. Appreciate you being here. Just gave out another 15-point move on NQ. And the alert. In the alert section. It's been real choppy. I mean, it's been sideways for the past 2 hours. Pretty much since noon. 11 o'clock it came down. So for the past hour, at least hour and a half, it's just been sideways. Can't get above 22,447. And it's not really gotten below 22,425 much. Maybe a little few times, but really tight range here. Really tight range. Hard to trade in. Hard to trade in a tight ranged area like this. Let's go over the algorithms today, shall we? We had NQ early, 2 for 2 for $400. NQ prop, $400. ES new 400, gold 500, NQ new 460. Silver 175. That's just what I have. I had to disconnect a couple of times, so they might not be 100% accurate, but a lot of green today. M8, Chris, user Chris, Brandon, Jen, Ken, Trader, Barry, welcome back. What's going on? It is a weird, wonderful, wild, wacky Wednesday. It's willy hot outside. It's like a heat wave across America right now. I hit my goals for the day. There you go, Ray. That's what it's all about, buddy. Slow and steady. Stay consistent. Stay consistent. it's going to take a couple of months. That's what I've told myself. It's going to take me a couple of months. That way, I can just stay on the slow and steady pace and not get too worried about the money coming in, because once I get past that first 3 months, it's going to be a lot easier from there. But that first 3 months is going to be tough when you don't have money coming in from it. You just want to get more and more, and that's not the way to go. That'll put you right back down in the doghouse. I'm up $396.40 in 3 days on my Apex 25K PA. I'm up $958 on the take profit 25K. 500 on the 50 and 500 on the 50 take profits. So little behind on the 50Ks. I had a loss. I oversized and took a big loss, but I made it back to where we're up 500 overall. So I was trying to pass it in 5 days. I don't know if I'm going to be able to do it, but it'll be all right. Slow and steady. We'll get there eventually. Normal, Harold, Kana, Bot, what up? Bal, Boom. Welcome in. Hello, good afternoon. If you don't follow me on TikTok, follow me, follow Jen, follow Ben, follow Lauren. I'm also over on the Purple app on Twitch. If you follow me over there, it's Swag Show Kyle. I'm also on the main BoldBot YouTube page. If you want to follow me on that, just search it up, BoldBot on YouTube. Big move back up here now. I say big move, but it's only really 15 points. But it seems like a big move from the moves that we've had recently. Not a lot of action and movement like we were used to earlier in the year when it was having 300-400 point moves in a 15-minute candle. Matt, welcome in. Tendence, welcome in. Incognito, welcome in. Hello, good afternoon. What do you know? Guaranteed green now on this NQ Day Waves trade. You can see the stop loss has moved up above the entry point, and it will continue to follow it on up as far as it wants to go. JMac 850, hello, hello. Keep tapping that screen if you know what I mean. Jellybean, help me help you, help others. The more people I get in here, the more people can join the BoldBot family, the more giveaways I can do for you guys to get, a free week of the algorithm, or maybe a free week of the manual alerts. You never know. But I got to have people signing up. All right, Matt. Good night. Have a good rest, good day, good afternoon. I know you work nights, but I'm glad you're doing well, my man. UK Gaming, welcome in. Good afternoon. Let's do a 2-for-1 here if we can pull Santa up on this other screen here. Two for one on Twitch and YouTube. If you don't follow me over there, you can see two different algorithms working at the same time. All right, Matt. Good night, brother. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. I need a nap myself. Whew, man. I need a nap myself. 150 on Santa, 230 on NQ Day Waves. Both algorithms in a green long position. If you want more information or you want to sign up for the standard bots, email me, boldbotinfo@gmail.com. If you want the premium or the mentorship or the alerts, email BoldBotLLC@gmail.com. We're here for you. We go live 5 times a day, 5 days a week for you. So make sure you follow us on TikTok, on YouTube, on Twitch, wherever we stream at. On X, on the old, Good old X. It's a weird, wonderful, wild, wacky Wednesday afternoon, June 25th, 2025. Halfway through the year already. Man, time flies when you're having fun. Or when you're not having fun, for that matter. When you get older, it just seems to go by quicker. $290, $300 now on NQ Day Waves, $210 on Santa. If you're in this long position with it, good luck. Congratulations if you got in long with the algorithm at 22443. Bobby's World, welcome in. Nate the Fisher, Francesco, right? Francesco, welcome in. Good afternoon. 315 on this long now on NQ Day Waves, 235 on Santa. Both premium strategy algorithms that you can get for $1,500 a month when you sign up with BoldBot. Just email BoldBotLLC at gmail.com. All you need to do, guys, is make $200 a day to be able to afford it in one account. $200 a day is $4,000 a month. Just remember that. How'd I do today? I did good. 160 on my 25K Apex PA. 515 on the 50K take profit. And about 300 on the 25K take profit. So green all around. Green all around on all four accounts. Still trying to pass those take profit evals. I'm really just concentrating on doing that. That's my main primary concern, is passing those in 5 days. And the Apex PA, I'm just going super, super small and slow with that. I'm only doing like 2 micros at a time on the Apex PA. I'm really only trying to make like I'm trying to make about $100 a day if I can do that. But I'm not mad if I don't. I just need to go slow and steady with that one. Because I don't think I'm going to take a payout from that until I have it built up like really big. I mean like 10K worth of profit buffer in the Apex PA. If I could build up like a 10K buffer in that, then I'll take a withdrawal. Yeah, 230 now on the NQ Day Waves long, 110 on the Santa long. You can see both of those if you're on the Purple app on Twitch or on the main BoldBot YouTube page. I'm live on all 3 platforms, but thank you guys for being here on TikTok. And if you want more information about it, email me, boldbotinfo@gmail.com. It's only $250 for the first 2 weeks for the standard algorithms, $1,000 a month after that. Otherwise, most of the algorithms have all done fairly well. I don't know the exact numbers because I had 2 disconnections from my Apex connection for some reason earlier today that I had to disconnect and reconnect, and it kind of screwed stuff up. But we're back on here live now. Came down and reached almost the level that we talked about in the student chat this morning. Pretty much did for the student long play. If you got that long around 22,407, 408, whatever it was, congratulations, you're rich. That was given to us in the student play of the day. If you take the digital mentorship, you can join the morning Zoom call and get that student play of the day each and every day, Monday through Friday. But thank you guys for being here. Derek, Goldie, Coach JV, Kenny G, BoldBot Ben. What up, Ben? Ransom, Frank, Ricardo, Nope, Mike, Fasano. Welcome in. Calvin Hill, hello. How's everybody doing? DJ Stonk Ape and Bob. I'm going to screw that name up. I'm just going to say Kumar. Welcome in. All right. Santa is now out of a trade, so we'll minimize him. Still in this long on NQ day waves. Specific strands. Welcome in. Good afternoon. What do you know? Thank you for coming in and watching the Swag Show. If this is your first time tuning in, my name is Kyle. I am your host. I do go live Monday through Friday, 1 to 2 p.m. Eastern Time, showing you live futures market trading using BoldBot, which is a fully automated trading algorithm for the futures market. And if you want more information, please email BoldBotLLC at gmail.com. Yes, we are green today, Ben. 160 on my Apex 25K PA, 500 on my Take Profit 50Ks, and about 300 on my 25K Take Profit. So I have 3 Take Profit accounts that are in eval and 1 PA with Apex. That's a 25K that I'm going super slow and small on. Probably not going to take, like I just said, a withdrawal until I have 10K worth of buffer in there. But I'm focused on my Take Profit accounts. I really want to pass those as fast. You know, the 5 days is the shortest amount of time you could pass them in. But I want to do that, and I want to make like $200 a day in each one. And then, you know, I'll be able to start making a living off those if I could just stick consistently with those once I build the buffer up. So, Crypto Megaminder. Crypto Gem Finder. Oh, welcome to the Swagonators. Mount up. Thank you. Take Profit got the best payout rules. I've gotten 10,000 in payouts this week. Nice. Very nice, Ben. Super Z made 365 today on micros. Congratulations to my fellow micro brother, Super Z. We're sticking with that micro plan. Slow and steady will win the race. I'm just trying to get a payout from Take Profit so I can buy 2 more of their accounts, and I'll have 5 of them. But I got to pass these 3 first and get a payout. That's what I'm thinking. So, all right, brother. Thank you. I will see you later, alligator. That's Ben. If you don't follow Ben, make sure you follow Ben. I'm going to pin it right up here. Maybe. Oh, pin comment. There you go. Make sure you go follow Ben. He goes live in the morning, 8:30 Eastern Standard Time for you, showing you the market and his trades. He has a great live stream early in the morning. Make sure you go give that man a follow. He works hard for the money. Da-da-da-da. Anybody remember that song? So hard for the money. But 10K in payouts this week alone. That's amazing. One day I'll get there, maybe, if I can stay out of my own way. Clever Kuji, welcome in. Good afternoon. Roger, welcome in. Good afternoon. How's everybody doing? It's the Swag Show. What do you know? Good afternoon. We're just chilling like a villain, watching this crazy market. Daniel, what up? Good afternoon. It's hot. It's hot in here. The temperature's what's up. Oh, man, it feels probably like 100 degrees again. It's like 100 degrees again outside. I probably need to go outside and get some fresh air, honestly. I haven't been outside in a long time. I don't know why. Probably because it's so hot. All right, so it moved up to 22,460, and then it rejected. Now it's coming back down. We'll see if it wants to get below this chop zone area that we give out in the student group. In Jersey, it's 101 real field temp. Yeah, it's hot. It's hot where I'm at too, brother. It's hot where I'm at too. Let me check. What's it say? What's it say? It says it feels like 105. Yeah, I don't know if I want to go outside. Forget that. It says it feels like 105. I don't know if I want to go outside no more. I gotta check my air and see what it says the feel is in here. Otherwise, I'm calling the air conditioning company. Indoor temperature is at 77. Woo-wee. Yeah, it's 80 inside. Yeah, it's 77 in my house, and I got the thermostat set at 72. So I think I need a new air conditioning unit, and the landlord better come and fix that ASAP because I'm melting. As soon as I get off this call, I'm going to call him and tell him, come fix this shiznit. I mean, the air conditioner looks like it's about 20 years old, honestly. All right, what do we got? Anything in a trade? Nothing in a trade right now. Nothing in a trade right meow. Let's see. Can we alert anything? We can't really give a solid alert. It would be too risky for me to tell you an alert right now, in my opinion. If you wanted to go short at 22,438, you might be able to get away with it if it pulled back to it, but I can't say that. I'm just talking to myself out loud here. It's just such a choppy, tight mess right there in that area. I don't like it. But you guys do what you want. Arizona's still chilling, 92 here. Yeah, it feels like 105 outside here with the humidity. It says it's 92, but a real feel of 105. So I am miserable right now. And my air conditioner is working overtime, so I got to call and see if they'll come take a look at it. I don't think it's a big enough unit, honestly. It's either that or it's too old. All right, we're in a short here. What did I say? 22,428. Didn't I tell you guys? Or did I say 438? Either way, the algorithm got in a trade at 28, so if you want to trail it, here you go. Houston is a blast furnace? Yeah, I bet. Is it humid there in Houston, though, Ray? Or is it dry heat like in Arizona and Vegas? I wonder with the ocean being kind of, or the Gulf of Mexico anyway, being right there, Gulf of America, whatever you want to call it, if it's humid in Houston. Because it's humid as F down here where I'm at. That's a miserable mess. 100% humidity. Yeah, I'd say that can, yeah, I'd guess, I'd guess that'd be humid. It's like 80% humidity here for some reason. And we haven't had rain in like 3 days. So it's all, the thing with central Illinois is you got to keep in mind, we're surrounded by like cornfields. So it like traps all the moisture in the ground around us, and it just becomes unbearably miserable. I'd rather be back down in Florida where at least you get an ocean breeze or something, Even though it's humid, you get an ocean breeze. I don't know. Vegas is a nice dry heat. If you can just like picture standing in front of your oven door with it open. It doesn't have the humidity, but it gets hot. That's for sure. That and you have the Great Lakes. Yeah, I mean, they're way up there, though. But Lake Michigan's like 3.5 hours away from where I'm at. In Chicago, I could get there. But that probably, doesn't help much. Whew, man. This area. Algorithms are doing fire, though, guys. If you want to sign up, now's the time. Email me, boldbotinfo@gmail.com. $250 for the first 2 weeks. For the standard algorithms, try it out. $1,000 a month after that. Or just join the alerts. It's $100 for the first week. $500 a month after that. We already gave away 70 points worth of alerts this week alone on NQ. And it's only Wednesday. So if you got all 70 points times 20, what's that? $1,400 on one contract? Even if you got half of that, that's still $700 on one mini contract if you got half of the move on the alerts. $700 a week isn't too shabby. Oh yeah, and it's only Wednesday, so $700 in 3 days worth of work. Oh man, it's just in this choppy mess still, guys. I can't alert it. I'm sorry. I can't do it. Wouldn't be prudent at this point in juncture. It's bouncing off the top of the chop that you learn about in the student group. Right, just nasty area. My back hurts. That's because it's hot out, humid out. Head and shoulders on the 5-minute interval. Let's take a look. Kind of flat shoulder. Yeah, I mean, if it moved back up to like 22,439, but this could definitely be a drop down, unless you're looking at the bigger picture. If you're looking at the bigger picture, but that's kind of the whole day, so that's not really valid. Anyway, just sell it. Short. Big drop here now. Down she goes. Sell. Woo-wee, look at that. $700 on Big Bang NQ. I hope somebody was in this short with it. I hope somebody in the chat right now got short with this algorithm and made that money. I honestly do. I hope somebody got in this short with the algorithm. And made some money right there. All the way back down to the bottom. Hit my goals, I'm done. All right. I'm going to hit the pillow and take a nap. It's too hot out to go play outside. I got to call the landlord. I got to get this air fixed. This is miserable. We got to have them check it out. See if the Freon or something needs reloaded. $500 now. It was green 700 at the high water mark of this trade. Bounced off the little, went lower than the LIS. Crypto bot? No, it's not a crypto bot. We don't trade the cryptos. We trade the futures market, preferably the NASDAQ or NQ on the futures market. No cryptos, no stocks, no options, no Forex, just the futures market. If you want more information, please just email BoldBotLLC at gmail.com. Let them know you saw it on the Swag Show. And we're here to help you. So help us by coming and joining the BoldBot family.